Hi again, guys. We are next going to look at a song called C major scale. For those of you who don't know, a scale is when you play one note and then you go either up or down one note at a time. So this one, C major scale, we're going to start on the note C and we're going to go all the way up to the next C. So the notes you're going to play are C, D, E, F, G. After G in music, because we only go up to the letter G in music, the next note that you play is the letter A. A, then B, then C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then we're going to go all the way back down again. And a scale is a really good way of warming up your instrument. So if you're practicing any instrument or singing at home, it's always good to start off with a scale to warm your fingers up, warm your voice up, and get you ready to play a song that you're practicing. Okay, so this one, we are going to learn it by reading tabs. Here is the music. Okay, tabs, if you haven't seen my Imagine tune video, then you probably don't know how this works. So let's go over that. So you have got 4 lines. Each line represents a string on the ukulele. Okay, this bottom string is the top string on your ukulele. So this one is the G, and then C, E, A. So this is the only bit that's difficult to get a grip of. It's the opposite way around to the way the ukulele is positioned. So on your ukulele, you've obviously got G on the top, and you go down. Good, children, eat apples. G, C, E, A. But on here, you start on the bottom. G, C, E, A. All right, so that's the only bit that you've got to think about. The rest of it's quite easy to work out. The numbers tell you what fret you need to play. Okay, so let's have a look at this first number. It's going through that second line up. So that, if you count from the bottom, good children. That's your C string. And bear in mind, it's a C major scale. Your first note you're going to play is a C. So you're going to play that C string. It's a 0, so that means you're only going to play the open string. Oh, that is the C string. I did get it right. So that is your C. After that, you're going to stay on the same string because we're in the same line. Instead of a 0, though, we've got the number 2. So that means you're going to play the second fret on the C string. And for this piece, always use the same number finger for the same number fret. Okay, so if you're in the second fret, use your second finger. If you're in the first fret, use your first finger. If you're in the third fret, use your third finger. So to play this note, second fret, you are going to play the C string again, but with your second finger in that second fret. Like that. Okay? Let's keep going. After the second fret, now we are going to change string. So we're now on, count from the bottom, good, children, eat, the E string. Okay? So you're going to play, it's a 0, so you're just going to play the open E string. So if you think about that, this is the note C, then this note, the second fret is D, E. So that's open E. So you're just going to play the E string. Next note, F. It's still on the same string, but this time it's a number 1. So you're going to put your first finger in the first fret on that E string like that. And just play the string that you've got your finger on. So only pluck the string that you've got your finger on. All right, so that's the first line. Let's have a look at the next bit. Same line again. We're still on that E string. So C, D, E, F, G. To play the G, third finger, third fret on the E string. Like that, because it's a number 3. Like that. So it's there. There's another way that you can play G. You know that you've got your open G string here. If you've got your style of ukulele, then that will be the same note as this one. You can hear that my one is a low version, isn't it? So that's a low G, and then that's a high G. So G, G. So you could play, if you wanted to, you could play it there instead, but I like to play it here, and also it works better on my instrument too. Where are we? So we've done that G there. Next note, another open string, but this time it's on the top line, so that's going to be the bottom string, which is the letter, good, children, eat apples, the letter A. And then keep on going. Second fret, all the rest of these notes are on their A string, so second fret, then third fret on the A string, second fret, second finger, and then third fret with your third finger. Okay, try not to slide your hand around. Don't just get tempted to use one finger for all the notes. It's going to make it a lot harder to play. All right, so those are all your notes. So let's go through that. C, D, 2nd fret, open E, 1st fret for the F, G, you can play it in the 3rd fret, or if you've got your ukulele with a higher G, you can play it open there, and then open A, then the B, 2nd fret, and then back to C again. And if I play this first note and the last note together, can you hear how they sound the same? Those are both Cs, okay? We have gone up what's called 1 octave. An octave, oct, like an octagon, octopus, means 8. When you go 8 notes up in music or down, you've got to the same note again. This is why they're both Cs, okay? So we're playing a 1 octave C scale. Okay, so there's a backing track with this as well. It's just going to keep on going over and over again, and there's lots of things that you can do with it. So let me show you the first thing I want you to do. I'm just going to play it. And the first thing I want you to do is play each note 4 times, like this. And once you've got to the top, see if you can go backwards again. So start on that 3rd fret. So follow the music going backwards this time. Okay, that's the first one. See how you get on with that, 4 times in each one, and then you can do the next one where you're going to play each note twice. So it's going to be a little bit faster with moving your fingers, like this. And then back down again once you reach the top. So we've done it 4 times on each note, 2 times on each note. Can you guess what's next? 1 time on each note. It's going to be difficult. Not much time to think about it. Always think ahead. And then back again. All right, last one. You're going to go double speed. So still 1 pick on each note, but double the speed that you played it before, like this. If you're feeling really adventurous, I'll probably make a mistake here. Let's see how I do. Yeah, I got it right. So if you feel like you can play it at that speed, you may have noticed I was actually using 2 fingers to play those notes then, just to be able to play it at that speed. But that's the idea, okay? So first time, 4 times in each one, like that. Second time, just play twice, sorry. And then 3rd time, just once. And then 4th time, double speed. And then if you feel like it, if you feel like you're getting pretty good at that, double again, okay? And the more you practice that, the better your fingers are going to be moving between chords and playing all those notes. So it's a really good exercise to practice. All right, good luck with that one.